Hi everyone, this is Speak Up. Have a great day. I think that's a truck.
Yeah.
Was that being recorded already? Oh, this is the hard part, the teaching methods.
Teaching method. So you can say, I'm ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say thank you.
Thank you. Speak Up is convenient and affordable.
Really?
Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. Great day, everyone. I'm John Eric Aguilar, but you may call me Teacher John. I've been teaching English since 2011, which is 8+ years of teaching English to various nationalities, including Koreans, Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, Russians, and Thais. I've taught students of all ages, from 3 until people in their 50s, of all levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I believe that teaching is not only a job, but a chance to improve other people's lives with their communication, comprehension, and social skills. Learning English is a bridge between the student's wants and needs. Therefore, it is not merely learning a new language, but also linking it with the student's goals, such as passing an exam, getting a new job, or immigrating to a new country. Therefore, as the teacher, I start with the student's current ability and then introduce various methods to link it with the student's goals. For one, unlike in the past, you don't need to travel and spend so much money to improve your skills. Here at Speak Up, you have a pool of experienced and competent teachers to choose from. You and your teacher can have a class at your convenient time and at a convenient place. Speak Up is an online community that helps students find the best teacher for their needs without any extra charges or fees taken from them or from the teachers. This helps them find the best teacher at the best time and at a reasonable cost. I'll do my 100% effort and you'll do your 100% effort, and you'll surely improve with your language skills. For more details or information, just look at the description below this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in English in the comment section and I'll answer you in the soonest possible time. Thank you!